we're going to have seafood boiled tonight in Loui. And there's the rest. I'm And there's Grayson. Grayson, what's that? Oh, you have your beef. Are you a baby? Oh.
And then you have a
Some of these fries.
glass
Hi guys.
Enjoy, guys.
You put it over.
Okay, guys. He
Yeah,
doesn't
on
know.
top.
This is first
and then
time.
put this one at the
Okay.
pork.
This is
Pork?
the
Pork, yeah.
sauce.
Like no, not
Cocktail?
sauce. Cocktail.
Oh, I
Cocktail
like
sauce.
cocktail sauce.
Yeah,
Yeah.
put more, yummy more.
I want more. Yeah.
And then you
I'm
have
gonna
to
come back for more.
slurp.
Do you
Oh,
want
it's gonna like slide off.
Yeah, you have
Oh,
to
it
slurp
really
it.
is. Okay.
Okay, and then zoop,
Like this.
push with your finger, with your
Slurp it.
Once mo pala sa patikimin, baka
How is it? Are you about to throw up? Are you
Just try only one.
You like it? What do you think?
It's alright.
Try only one.
Okay,
Did you try
our turn.
only one?
Our turn.
Picho. Come on.
Pinautos mo. Kasi hindi ko alam eh, hindi gumana sa aking van kasi.
Let's get a close up.
Once na niya patikimin, magpapaulit. First time na yan. Oh,
finally
we see.
Charging my apologies.
More
You like it?
Thank you.
It's slimy and
Slimy, don't taste it anymore. Just one
at least
only.
you tried that.
Next time.
How does it taste? All bay with rice.
Not terrible.
It's good for
But is it good? Ooh. Grayson. Woohoo. What's the Grayson? Okay.
Okay, we'll say watch out.
The crab actually jumps at you. So
Yeah, that's why.
It's so hard. Ano mo pala dala yung libre? Yan, makikita mo na.
oh, that's good.
Yan, makikita
Ayun
mo.
mo, lobster. Wow.
Oh, there's the lobster. We're gonna fight over that lobster.
Oh, get the picture.
Wow.
You're sharing.
Whoa. Great. Right? When you come back, can you take us a picture together? Yeah, thank you. What do you think about the taste? Oy, teach daw. You teach him.
Wait, where's the ano?
No,
the-
didn't come out right.
The cracker. Here, the scissor. Bigay mo na. Tama na
Oh
yan.
wow, that's good.
This thing.
I came
I
here
have the
just to take
smasher.
video.
No, dapat may
I
scissor na
I
gano'n.
don't know how to do this. Does
Smash it.
anyone
Let's
know how to
find
do
one of
this?
the eggs.
You show.
You know
Oh,
how
yeah,
to open,
I know,
right?
I know.
And the sauce, put the sauce.
That's pretty
Tanong mo
straightforward.
sa kanya
I
kung
feel
ano yung gusto
Order
niya.
na lang
meron
kayo
siya
ng
ata.
kanin na.
Automatically, can you put my phone away?
I told you, no phone in this restaurant.
You are right. Let's find where the sausage is. Where's the
Thank you.
sausage?
Oh,
Just look. Where's the sausages though?
Yeah, where's the sausage?
there should be 2
I cannot find
sausage,
it.
2 potatoes.
You'll be able to find
It's
it.
just for you.
Oh, yeah.
You have to cut in the middle. Where's
Let
the
me
scissor?
eat, and then I'll give you
Ay,
food.
ano teach
Yeah, where's the sausage for them?
Dito na lang ako sa madaling kainin.
Dito na na.
Ayan. Isang
Let's see
shrimp.
how do I eat the crab?
Isang shrimp. Ayan, kakain na ako. Isang claw.
Garang gunting.
Maang
The sauce is yummy.
Garang gunting ganun. Garang gunting.
It's all bay.
I'll get some rice.
How do I eat the crawfish? Eat the crab.
Can you ask for another scissor?
I grabbed some of the sauce.
So you didn't see the, ano? the
Sausage? Yeah, where's the sausage?
Oh, pati na kaya natin. Agree, eh?
I need one of the claw smashers.
Mario, full.
Stop, take it.
Okay, I see there's no sausage. I'll double check with the kitchen.
Can we have extra one rice?
And Caesar.
One rice. And the scissor. Yeah, thank you.
So, do we have like a claw cracker?
That's what that is.
This is the like this.
Ah, that's smart.
Bigyan mo na
Good job.
Ay, parang taga-bukas sa kanila. Pagpagpagyan mo na. Kaya na eh.
Kaya kasi naman ni Shane.
Really
Oh,
good.
here. Here.
Really good.
Dahil scallop.
Oh, look at that.
The rice.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, rice.
Get that in this one.
Your chef is there.
Cool.
Kung ka na nagpayat, hindi mahaba yun.
Oo nga, hindi mataba.
Dapat linggo
Hindi ko na nakikita si Gray.
Good peso.
Gray, I can see you.
Yeah,
There you go.
Get the spoon too. Ah, here. You can borrow Grace. She never put in their mouth. Yummy sauce.
The sauce is
Do you know how to eat it? Read?
Ah.
Here. This is yours.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like. Oh, thank you.
And you?
Lobster?
No, that's
That's a
the
lobster.
crawfish. Ah, yeah, lobster.
Did you taste the octopus? Octopus or calamari? What's that?
Octopus.
It's yummy.
Ang calamari, oh, baby is the small one.
There.
Oh, thank you. You're a pro at this.
Yeah, you're pro daw. Ano sila payat? It's not thick. Not
You
thick.
can put it in here after you
Meron ka
finish
tayo
it
pang
too.
tindahan na to.
We have tacho.
Did you see the scallop, Gray? Oh. Here's the scallop, oh. Sorry, hindi na natrata yung scallop. That's it.
Yeah, the scallop is easy.
Yeah?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, the sausage is missing, right? Yes,
yeah.
Thank you.
Because the boys want the sausage.
So, once you remove the head with the scissor, it's
How do I
like
remove the
eating.
head?
Just remove the head and then with the scissor,
So just like rip it off?
like this in the middle.
And then just suck
It's like eating lobster, small lobster.
I don't like
Here,
that.
here. Okay, I'll give it to you. Do
I
you
don't like
want?
that.
No, I want to try my
I'm sorry, I don't like that.
I'll
Very
give it to
small.
you.
You'll give it to me? Okay.
But remember, later you have to bring me to hamburger because I wasn't able to eat well.
Hey, are you right? Just your hands.
Ay, hindi maganda, pe.
The mini octopus. Good. It's
Walang
yummy too.
laman.
This one.
Walang laman.
Yummy. Eat everything. Hindi maganda. Ganito din yung isa. Yummy, right?
Okay.
Hindi malaman. Oh, unless binabalik yung walang laman.
See? Ito, look.
Try the corn.
Kapagay ko, ba't hindi yun?
Ay, that's enough. It's already
I think I'm good for it.
alarm.
This is what they make caviar out of.
This is the
No.
caviar. Of the
Not like
maalat.
Reo, calamari. Calamari. You order calamari. A lot of calamari.
More rice, please.
Yeah, I told you it's yummy. The rice.
Rice.
Rice,
You're
like,
not eating rice.
it's good, the rice, the seafood is great.
This is good treat. Thank you, Tita.
Thank you, Sheila.
But you drove us. Thank you, Tita Sheila. Thank you, Tita.
Yeah, more long time.
thank you all.
Yeah.
You have to
kulang
thank
yung
everyone.
kanin.
I order, Carmen, just order.
Tita Sheila works very hard for this.
Yeah.
Can you
Taking
beat
private
and
jets
then-
to Palm
Let's add
Beach.
extra rice.
That is a good
Can
job,
beat
though. You get
in powder?
to
Tita
go.
Angie wants to order.
You get paid for vacation.
That's enough.
What do you want?
Rice.
There you go.
Extra rice, please.
I'm alright.
You're gonna turn into rice, dude.
Can I have rice?
Yeah,
Some
we're
rice?
getting.
Yummy little rice.
Naka-apat na tayo, di ba? Pang-apat ito.
Rice is good. They cook the rice well.
Para lang sigurado.
The potatoes good too.
I just want that.
We have raisin.
No, I think she wants to try.
Can we have extra rice again?
Another rice?
Yeah.
Rice is light.
Rice is like,
That's good, very good, like that.
Yeah.
I'll do for
Ito kala, payata talaga, payat.
aw.
great.
You have to
What
full.
is it though?
It's only six. I put it there too.
Oh no.
You
Oh.
see it?
Yes, please. Is this one not short?
That's-
Oh,
Are you
we
making sushi?
Oh no.
Oh,
It looks like
Thank
sushi.
you. Thank you. I don't think you're good.
Kahit ako, kanin na nga
Oh
sa
my god, look at that. Oh yeah.
wow, very good.
Oh, good job.
Ay,
Wow.
sinusulit ito.
Don't return it here.
What do you
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, she wants to try that rice. So,
Binabalik ka.
Kaya pa nang kinakain ko.
why you bring back the
Yeah, do you
shit?
want to get some water, please? Sorry? Do you want to get some water, please? Yeah, there you go.
It's your garbage put there.
The garbage, put it here,
May
okay?
another
With the sauce.
Ano
Yeah.
natin?
Great.
This one right here. Thank you.
Hindi, puno kasi. Puno kasi.
Great. Put the sauce. It's yummy.
Yeah, I don't have a
Oh,
spoon.
that's the garbage.
Thank you.
Yan lang.
Your sausage, oh, that's yours. Looks like we need to bring back this one. We cannot eat. Too small.
That's how small it is.
We definitely,
I'll show you. Okay, I'll give it to you.
we definitely should come back here.
You
Like,
wanna
after-
come back?
After we've tried all the places, then I.
So you
like,
wanna come back again?
So this is a good. I mean, it's not. So it means.
But Kuya wants stay.
Do what he wants. I don't care.
No. You're
No, I said,
Brazilian steakhouse.
I said after everything.
okay.
Fogo de Chao.
sa kanya.
Fogo de Chao. They said.
Fogo de Chao.
They said that's
Also,
the place.
In Paramos.
Definitely, thank you.
Okay, din
Yummy.
Ano lang, din
Right? With rice.
Oh, Tita Sheila.
Either
Because
that-
you will pay for it.
Brazilian.
I'll give you.
Ito yun.
Oh, thank you.
But later, I want to eat in McDonald's.
Basket food.
McDonald's. What do you want, Tita?
No,
Awan
nothing.
awan-
If you want burger, you go to this burger place, 7th Street Burger. It's got
Oh,
great burger.
in Soho? Where is
Hoboken.
7th? Oh, I haven't heard.
But they also have location in New York City. They use
Ano
good
na,
ingredients.
scallop, oh.
Okay.
But it's not like 4th Street in Hoboken.
Saan yan?
Ang sarap. Ang taong ang pepe.
Peking ng taho. Ay, hindi. Ito ngayon hindi.
Ah,
Kanina nakubuksan ko as in walang laman.
Is there any meat in this?
Yeah.
With the
Singapore. No, eat. You're not expert.
That's the way to eat.
That's the way to eat.
you're making
Sushi.
sushi.
Oh, they have scallops. They have
I like playing with my food. So you do that. You
And
have
then what's the topping?
you have the hot dog in the middle.
Gusto mo kayo octopus?
Octopus.
no,
Sashimi.
calamar.
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 Good job. Do you like it here? You like the food?
It's good.
Is it your first time?
It's my first time doing it. It's
Bite,
interesting.
not like that.
Definitely, but
I just want to like rip it in
it reminds me of
Yeah,
the
but
Filipino
you need to
where you
bite.
bring the banana leaf on the
Or
bottom.
scissor.
All the
ano ba yung
meats.
may banana leaf sa
Scissor.
yeah, I know that.
No, this one.
Look at that.
Guys.
Then tatlo?
What's that?
Oh,
I got it.
that's the tie for the plastic. Remove it.
Oh, that's a tie.
Oh,
It's okay, it's okay.
That was the tie that they use for the plastic.
You don't eat that.
scallop or your sausage.
Is it okay, guys? This
Parang
will
pinahid ka,
be unedited video in YouTube. You will
I'm
watch
fine
this.
with that. I'll watch it on YouTube also. Like
So unedited, ah.
follow at the Water Boys Hoboken.
Grayson na unedited. So you will watch this.
Put it on Instagram as well so I can repost.
Yeah, the Instagram is edited already, but in YouTube unedited.
I want edited.
Anyway, you don't have to.
Masarap din yung ano nila, octopus.
Masarap yung sauce.
Yung calamari. The calamari is good.
Try the calamari. Dito try the calamari. Ito ba kayo ng ulo to? Oh. Kaya ako
Eh, pahirapin mo naman.
Hindi totoo yung calamari, mayroong tali.
Oo, yan o. Ay, may doon sa tali.
Kasi ganun yata siguro pagka malalaki.
Agree.
May
Wag ka sa
goma.
tali.
Guys, so, ang ganun palang calamari, totoo ba yun? May goma. Okay, let's see.
Your sauce with garlic.
Oh, you have to finish the dinner, guys.
Your sausage.
Mhm.
Mukhang full na.
Do not cover it.
Talagang gusto niyo yun. No, wala na yan. Nothing. There's nothing.
Ito lang.
Usually, they...
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Usually nothing. Nothing.
No, just more heat like this one.
Ang atin na,
But
wala
then,
na ito.
Baby
Ito.
octopus.
Ito, yun yan.
Kay Agi, kayo sa bahay.
Ayoko. Pero kainin.
Huwag niyong kamayin.
Hindi naman. The sauce is with the octopus.
Do I want?
Kita mo may tali.
I like the
Oh, yeah.
Yan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayoko na.
And if y'all are happy with everything, and if you want to put maybe a 5-star review on Google, I
We
can
will.
get you. Sorry?
We will.
And what are you giving us?
I
Dessert?
can get y'all a free dessert. I have
All
funnel cake
all of
fries.
us?
Oh,
fries.
Or I have ice cream.
That
I have
sounds
butter
really
pecan and vanilla. I'll just have to double check that y'all posted it.
Only one post for...
Honestly, one each. And then if you're also full,
No, what if they don't have?
or if you don't have, that's fine.
Only one?
Yeah.
You have Google? I have
Oh, so
Google,
two,
so
one,
two.
Yeah, whichever y'all
So,
But all of
yeah,
us
on
are
a
getting
Kasi yan na,
Google
meron
Maps.
on Google reviews.
No, kami tayo. Yun na nga. Hindi mo baka wala yan.
And then if you're full and you still want to do a review, I can get you $3 off per review.
Okay.
So there's
Per
that.
review, but I don't think you have Google.
I have.
I have Google.
I have Google.
So, only if you're full, if you don't want dessert. I want dessert.
Yeah, I want dessert, right? Ray?
Like this. Ay, kita, hindi it.
Where are you watching at my food?
Pantay mga laman.
Oh my God. What are you doing?
Sabi, this is an edited video. Hindi naman pinagbigasan. Ayoko na dahil napaparaming
Ah,
kanin
this
ko.
one. May yummy. Yeah, scallop po.
Kaya nga po sama-sama mo yung maayos.
One more scallop, my love.
One more scallop.
Ayan.
It's good for your rice.
He's making sushi.
Yeah, I would say sushi. You could make sushi with it.
Huwag mo yung, wag mo lang po. Ito lang sa'yo.
Hindi, okay na rin yan.
Okay.
Ako nang bahalang pumili kung ano.
Yan.
Basta yung ito, walang laman to.
Ito, laman yan, no?
Sausage. So, your sausage.
Basta,
Hindi mo
basta
kinain.
malinis.
Pusot yan,
Ito.
no?
I'm
If you want
quitting.
more, if you want more, you can eat
I'm out.
more.
I'm out. I'm out.
O kaya Edna, gusto mo ikaw na? Ay!
Oo.
Balikan mo.
What happened to you? Are you okay?
Take it out the gloves na. Hindi siya kakain. Take it out your gloves.
Let's go to the
Oh, it's
bathroom.
dirty. It's dirty.
Your hands.
Oh, let's wipe this.
Yes, yun na.
Ay, yeah, there you go.
Can you have container to go? Okay. Thank you.
Ito, nilalaro niya lang eh.
If you're not going to eat it, save it for the poor people.
Tita Edna.
We're the poor people.
Nice. You know, in our hand.
Chopping out.
Yeah, take it out your
I'm ready
gloves.
for dessert.
Go to the bathroom.
I'm only saving for dessert.
Go to the
You
bathroom
have to
first.
review 5-star. In Google. Do you have Google?
Go to the bathroom.
Kaya pala mataas ang review nito eh.